आम आदमी पार्टीन गोंयभर 40 मतदारसंघांनी लोकांच्या घरांनी वचून कसिनो आड सयांची मोहीम सुरू करपाचें थारायला. फाटल्या इलेक्शना पयलीं बीजेपीन कसिनो हटाव मोहीम काडिल्ली. सत्तेर आयले काय यू टर्न घेतलो. ऑस्कर रिबेलो म्हणटा कसिनोंचेर आदारिल्ली अर्थवेवस्था गोंयकारांच्या पिळगेचो फुडार घडोवंक शकना.
ही चळवळ म्हटल्यार कॅसिनो बंद जावपाक जाय आणि हे बंद करपा खातीर 40 मतदारसंघांनी दर एका घरांत वचून आमचे कॅन्डिडेट किंवा जे व्हॉलंटियर्स आसात ते भोंवता आसतना लोकां कडेन मागणी करतले आणि एका पेपराचेर सिग्नेचर्स घेतले लोकांच्यो की हांगासरल्यान कॅसिनो बंद जावपाक जाय आणि तो बंद जावपाकूच जाय.
It is extremely dangerous for the future generations of Goan, आमच्या फुडल्या पिढीक, की the stranglehold of the economy of Goa will be in the hands of the casino lobby. And that is going to be so dangerous for the future of this state, if it is not already destroyed it. कित्याक आमी जाणा की casino येवन the spin-off trade of casinos is necessarily drugs and sex and all these other kinds of industries that take a foothold in the state.
आमचे सगळ्या कॅन्डिडेटाची कॅम्पेन चल्ल्या ताजे बरोबर आसतले. ताज्या शिवाय जे मेन जागे असतात, बस स्टँड, मार्केट असे जे जागे असतात, त्या जाग्याचेर आमची एक वेगळी टीम आसतली. एक टेबल, एक काउंटर चालू करतले. थंय आमचे सिग्नेचर कॅम्पेन चालू आसतले.
येता त्या इलेक्शनाक काँग्रेस 40 मतदारसंघांनी कॅन्डिडेट घालतली म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंगान जाहीर केला. काँग्रेस खंयच्याच पार्टी बरोबर युती करची ना. कोणाक जाय जाल्यार ताणें काँग्रेसीच्या तिकेटीर रावचो म्हूण ताणें स्पश्ट केलां. सरकाराचे मिडल मॅन ओडीपीनी फिक्सिंग करतात तांचेर खंय इलेक्शन कमिशनान नजर दवरची.
The present government is trying to make changes in the outline development plan of Panjim and Mapsa and Margaon also, which is increasing from FAR 2 to FAR 3. It is openly being discussed now. Some of the middlemen close to Mr. Manohar Parrikar and to the Chief Minister, whether it is Paresh Gatonde, the urban planner, or Mr. Pritesh Desai, who are very much involved in fixing the deal. Because the elections are due, would urge the election commission to give an order that no such order should be issued, which will change the building rules and change the basic character, the ethnic character of Goa state, which is known for its bungalows.
27 नोव्हेंबर ते 12 डिसेंबर मजगती गोंयान काँग्रेसीची पदयात्रा काडटली.
We have a padiyatra from 27th of November till 12th of December, where all Congress people joining in the padiyatra as a mass contact program. Our selection of candidate process is on. Need to have another meeting of the Pradesh Election Committee for the seats where there is no clarity as yet, but we shall try and finalize it as soon as possible, after which it will be sent to the Central Election Committee to decide. We are preparing our candidates on all 40 seats. We shall try to bring in as many new faces as possible. That includes Pandurang Madkekar also. If he is not interested, we will find another candidate. The Congress stands firm that we are not going to be blackmailed by anyone. Whether we lose or win, we want to have a dedicated, loyalist congressman. If anyone has to come, he is most welcome, but he has to fight on Congress symbol.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.